YouTubes, I'm back with the same bitches I was at the pool.
We got kicked out.
Yeah, we got kicked out because some's a bitch decided to break in with us, but then they had the beat pill or whatever the fuck it's called, and they started playing loud ass music. Not even 2 minutes later, the management or maintenance MM came and was like, you have to get her, you have to get her. I'm like, fuck.
I know, we were there for like an hour.
And they said some people we had to leave. But we're probably gonna go back tomorrow.
That chick was hot though.
Yeah, she was. Fun fact, I'm bi.
I'm not.
And single.
You're a creeper.
I know. Yeah, so right now we're actually walking back to my apartments. Cause like
The ghetto ass ones?
Yeah, my ghetto ass apartment.
It's not ghetto.
Whatever. Look, and as you can see, probably I got cut. You probably can't see it. It's not my hair. Yeah, can you see it? Oh, there it goes. Like right here, I got cut because of this bitch's nails. Yeah. Like we
I'm
were.
your bailist.
Yeah, my little sister's here. So like, yeah. Oh shit, I got dark. Oh no.
How do you think I feel?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go home.
Me too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Juicy shit.
Yeah.
This is where we
Bye.
part.
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye. Hopefully you'll see me when I'm not looking ratchet for long.
Yeah. How do you think I feel? Oh, my daddy's home.
No.
Cool.
Mom has a car.
Oh really? Oh shit, never mind. Okay, well, I think that's it. So, bye, tubes. Mwah.